channel. So I have a new wig that I'm about to put on, and this one is from Wild African. So I'm putting it on tonight because I have a lot of stuff that I have to do tomorrow. I have 2 meetings in the morning, so I want to be already ready, and I don't want to rush like I'm normally doing when I put my units on. So I'm about to put it on right now instead. So this is the unit. It's a light Yaki unit, and it's super full, which I love. And you guys know it comes pre-plucked and all of that good stuff. Like, look how good that hairline looks. No work needed. So I'm gonna put this unit on. I am gonna do the ball cap method this time because I have a new, I guess, adhesive that I want to try today. So I found this at Ulta, and it's Got2bGlue, but it's specifically made for wigs. And you know, usually the yellow one is white, but this one is clear. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's clear. So I want to try this one out. So it says bonding glue, invisible, bonding for wigs, gentle on scalp, co-created with you. So I'm assuming they made this with a black creator because there's a black girl on the tube. But yeah, it is supposed to be invisible, residue free, and it's supposed to be gentle on your scalp with pro vitamin B5, and it's good for human and synthetic hair. So I'm gonna try this out. I think it was like, it was less than $10. It was less than $10, and I got it at Ulta. But I'll have a link for you guys down below. I just want to read it really quick. Okay, so it just says to put it on basically like you normally do. You let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes. You can speed it up if you use a blow dryer. You basically let it get tacky like all other products, and then you press your lace into the glue. So yeah, that's it. You basically let it get tacky for 1 to 2 minutes, and then you put the lace on it, and then you dry it down for the rest of the way. And it's supposed to last. It doesn't say how long it's supposed to last, but it's just like a temporary solution. Obviously it's not going to work like glue, but I'm assuming you could probably get like 3 to 5 days out of it. So yeah, I'm going to be using this today, and I'm going to do the ball cap method today. So I'm using one of the HD wig caps. So they have them on Amazon now. I'll find a link for you guys and leave it down below. But for those of you that don't know, they are these really see-through wig caps, unlike the normal ones, which look like, so this one is all beat up, but this is what the regular one looks like, how you can barely see my hand, and then this is the HD one. So I'm going to be using this one today. I want to slick my edges back. I'm going to use this stuff, so I'm going to use this to slick my edges back. Make sure all the little baby hairs are out of the way. And automatically this feels like it dries faster than the regular Got2bGlue. Like just from me rubbing it in. Yeah, I feel like that dries really fast. I don't even think I need the blow dryer, but I know I'm going to need it in a minute. So where is it?
Get out the way.
Oh, dang, I already ripped it.
Grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want bigger rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these.
I'm not going to use it to dry this down because I feel like it just takes too long. So
no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo, big moves.
And I'm gonna use it for the ear tabs.
Heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I look for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hit that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time.
Okay. So I always get questions about the back. I don't do anything to the back, y'all. I literally just leave it like this. Some people will sew it down right here or even right here if they have like braids, but I just, it doesn't move for me. I leave it like that. So I just went over it, and this is a tinted moisturizer. This is Extra Tan by Huda, because it looked a little ashy to me. And then I'm just gonna clean it up with some alcohol.
In accord, me first, you short. All my time been off yours, boss. Bitches to the floor. It's my time.
All of this is like a lot of extra back here. So maybe we can pull this one up. This is different. It's not a 360, but you know how usually there's just that little patch right here? This goes all the way around and there's like a little bit of lace. Like all the way around in there. So I think you'll be able to pull this one up without it being like a full lace or a 360. I never pull mine up. And I'm not starting today. So I'm just gonna cut this off, the extra lace, and I'm also gonna cut off the little ear tap part. It's not HD lace in the back though, it's a different lace. So it's like regular OG lace in the back, and then when you get to the front, it's the HD. Oh, she's long. Oh. Ah, that's why people be, oh my gosh, and I broke my nail. Oh well. It's a press on. Okay, so my wig cap is right here. So I'm gonna remove a little bit of this hair.
Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck.
And right now I'm just gonna add my perfect line. And I'm using the shade Tan.
I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hope still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions.
It look good, y'all. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. And then if I need to cut more, I will, like after I glue it down.
Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me.
Like I can tell I'm gonna have to cut some of the sideburns because it's kind of like touching my eyebrow a little bit too much. And then the sides look pretty good. Like this for sure I'm gonna cut because you can see like my wig cap is way back here and this is way up here. So now for this. Every time I do the wig cap I can see like how different my hairline is on the sides. And I'll do like a little on my forehead and then a little on the cap. Like not too much on my forehead.
When I want it, please. Wait till I look for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it.
You don't want to push it down until you have like your wig cap where you want it. Because if you push it down too soon, then you might not like be covering your sides.
On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in accord. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time.
This feels a little more wet than the other one. Like the other one is like thick and kind of sticky. This one feels a little more watery. So I might suggest working in smaller sections, especially if you do the wig cap, so that your wig cap doesn't start to roll back. And if you're using a blow dryer, you definitely don't need to wait 2 minutes. Like it dries really fast.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When
push the wig cap down like this when you're applying the glue, because it definitely makes your wig cap move. So if you're pushing back, you might like peel it back. So yeah, I would say no more than 20 seconds when you're blow drying it. Because you still need it to be like a little bit damp and sticky for your wig to stick. It feels on there. It dries really fast, y'all. So now I'm just going to remove any of the parts that are not glued down, because I put the glue exactly where I wanted it to be, like exactly the shape of my hairline or the wig cap and then my hairline. So then you can see like this is like lifted. I don't need that. If you want to, you can take your rat tail comb and a little bit of it and like slide it on there and push it down. I'm going to cut it off because I don't want it. I'm gonna try to get as close to it as I can on the edges, because this one is a little shiny, especially the part that's not under the lace. Like if you get any leftover on your skin, like it's really shiny. So I'm taking just a little bit of alcohol. I'm gonna try to clean it up without making it lift. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of the ORS spray, hit the hairline, and then tie it down because it's giving a little bit ashy. But then I'll hit it with some foundation powder after that. Okay, now I'm going to tie it down.
You know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep with the guarantee and wine. So kind of your neck is forward. You been waiting on me to solve it. Solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking.
Okay, so I need to put some foundation on this lace, because I feel like it's my wig cap underneath that's making it look ashy.
Almost kicked in and lift my head up. Like bum, bum, bum. Throw it back, then rotation. Figure it's in just season.
This is what it is looking like now. But I don't know if you guys remember, like maybe a month ago, I had my hair straight for almost 2 months, and I had bangs that I had did on accident when my hair was curly. I want them back, but I don't want to straighten my hair again. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to recreate those bangs. So originally I had just cut my hair while it was curly, and I had heat damage in the front, and I just literally grabbed some scissors and I cut it, and it wasn't even. I had to even it out once I straightened my hair. But I want the bangs back because they were really cute. So I'm gonna try to do that.
Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, jam.
So I didn't have a lot of bangs at all, which is why I didn't cut that much. Like I literally just had a little bit because I had just cut the front that I had for my V part out. Because my V part, I got heat damage from wearing V part, so that's literally all I had cut. And so we're about to see. I unplugged my flat iron on accident.
Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do.
Leave it like this, It kind of looks like how my natural hair looks. Like, told you guys, had the tiniest amount, like nothing drastic at all. I just can't get this side to really go how I had it. But yeah, this is the final look. Show you guys the back of the wig. It's really full. So now I don't have to worry about rushing in the morning trying to do my hair. Just have to do my makeup and put my clothes on, and I am all done. But this is the final look, you guys. I'll have everything down below in the description box for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.
All over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam.
Okay guys, so this is day 4 with the wig on and using the new Got2bGlue. I just wanted to show you guys before I take it off, but it is still on there. The only thing that lifted is the side part, but I didn't really tack that part down anyway, and it kept getting wet when I was washing my face. But yeah, I didn't have high hopes for this, but it definitely still sticks, and it's definitely still down. So it proves me wrong, because I just knew, because it felt so thin and so watery, that it was not going to last. But it is on here, and I'm just about to take it off, just using a little bit of water.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying.
And it is off.
My friend